Welcome my dear students. Today I am going to show the order of operation to solve an expression. I have written the word BODMAS. First of all, we have to know the full form of BODMAS, and the full form which I am going to tell you now is B. That means B stand for brackets. The other one is O. O stand for off, and D stand for division. M stand for multiplication. You can see here I have written S stand for addition, and S stand for subtraction. We have to solve any equation using this rule. If you use this rule, you will get the correct answer. You can see here I have written and one more thing I am going to tell you is that here we will get three types of brackets. First one is small bracket, then second is curly bracket, and the third one is square bracket. So whenever we solve any equation, first we have to solve brackets. First one is small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. With this rule I am going to solve one equation. You can see here I am going to solve one equation. 5400 divide 27 plus 50 into 4. So you can see here the equation from exercise 2E, question number 1A. So you can see here there are no any brackets. Since there is no any bracket, we will move to the other one, that is off. There is no off, so we will move to the other one, that is division. So the division is between 5400 divide 27. So we'll solve this. First we'll divide 5400 divided by 27. So when we'll divide, we'll get 200. We got here 200 after dividing these two numbers. The next is plus 50 into 4. So next step we'll do, then division is already over, then next is multiplication. So multiplication is between 50 and 4, so we'll multiply 50 into 4. So first we'll write 200 plus first we'll multiply 50 into 4. 50 into 4 equal 200. So I have written here 200. Then there is no multiplication sign, multiplication is already over. Then next we'll move to A for addition, and there is addition 200 plus 200. So 200 plus 2 equal 400, and the correct answer is 400.